This is a demonstration of how to compile results from using the infer command and the corresponding SearchBack text results, how to store those in a big document. The infer command lets you take one corpus in a text and then compare a second text and see what phrases they have in common, basically. For this demonstration, I've got Tobit in the first tab. In the second tab, I've got Luke-Axe. And then here's the results of a search command. And the SearchBack feature then lets you see where in Tobit there's a parallel to this Luke 227, for instance. So you search that, select that verse reference, and then amplify to SearchBack link text. And that creates a third tab which simply states that verse, and then it looks for that verse that can be inferred from the context of the original tab as well. And so a script would compile those two together. If I was to do a lot of this, I would take these text results and put them in their own database in a spreadsheet or something and pull the data from there and then just run the searches of these two tabs. However, here's a quick little kludge of how to do it in accordance. What you want to do is just basically have the insertion point in front of the reference here, then in front of the next reference, then in front of the next reference, and do the search and paste the results of each in a text window. So the results are designed to look like this, where here is the result. This is in text edit. Here's the source verse, and then here's the matching SearchBack in Tobit. And here's what it looks like in action. Now, to set this text up, what I've done is, the real problem is trying to select each verse reference individually. So I've made the font as small as possible and the window as wide as possible to reduce the number of verses that wrap onto two lines, because those throw errors in the process. So to get it started, I put the insertion point at the beginning of the first line and have those tabs all ready. And here's the script that I'll post, and you just run it and then go. And so it's individually pulling the verse in one, copying that verse in the text edit document, finding the verse in the SearchBack result window, pulling that and pasting it as well.